I invite all of you to put your microphone on and give a big hearty applause to our champion.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, sister.
Goody.
Hold on. Now I must put it on. Hold on. Okay. I always say, where are your blessing? Blessing, put your mic on. I put all the mics off now. Blessing, speak.
Good evening, sir.
There you are. Okay, here you come. Good evening, Blessing. How are you? You are looking very special today. It says, I told you yesterday. What did I tell you yesterday? Remember, I said, prepare for the party. Think of the menu, what you're going to make with fufu and everything. Make a list of the friends you'll invite for dinner. Yeah, last night I told you, right? Okay.
Yes,
now you talk. It's your time to talk. I'll just shut up.
Good evening, everyone. I want to use this opportunity to thank Mr. Ambrish. Sir, God bless you. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much, because let me tell you one thing, that where I attend school is just 2 doors from my house. I registered there in September last year. I went to the class for 3 days. I could not understand anything they're talking about. I said that, okay, Blessing Brilliance that is still in class with you gave me your contact. I contacted you. When I started, it was a little bit difficult for me for your speaking, you understand? But I said, well, let me stay. Maybe I will get to understand this. I really stay with you, sir. Do you know the quiz or the study we study in class, when you say, write this thing down? Hello, Stella, take him to the bedroom. When you say, write this thing down, then you can never, this thing, when you say it, is always very often. So it helps a lot my fellow students. It really helps. And another thing that helped me to get 0 errors today. I do quiz, even if I'm cooking, I'm doing quiz. At times I will get 4 errors, I will get 5, I will get 6. I continue doing my quiz. If I'm sleeping in the night, I will wake up. I will not sleep. I will carry my phone. I will start doing, because I'm a mother of 3. I work. I will go to work. I'll come back from work. I do everything, because it's not easy, my fellow students. Please continue doing your quiz. It's very important. The quiz is very important. I did not read textbook for 1 day. That is short, because I don't read the tally very well. But I addicted myself to the quiz. I have about four type of fourth application in my phone that I use. If I use this one, I will get to the other, because it's not what you see on this one, you will see. But at times, you will get everything together. If I see it, I fail it. If I see it in the other application, I will pass it, because I already know it. I said, when I went to the class today, my fellow student, I did this quiz this morning. I was having 5. Remember, I said, God, well, okay, no problem. I will not let this thing wave me. I said, let me calm myself. Mr. Ambrish, calm yourself, relax. I said, when I was going to school this morning, I fixed eyelashes, I make up. I was thinking maybe at that particular moment they would tell me my result. They said, no, I make up, I did everything. I was happy. Since yesterday, me and my husband were started celebrating that today I will pass. Today I will pass. They really, as I get there, all the old quiz that I saw by fellow students was so very simple that what I've been doing before in SCADA. Please, my fellow students, I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Benin, Edo State, Oriedo Patakehi. This man is really a great man. He's a great man. I think I knew in January 10th. I started class with him. At times I will be attending his class here. I will be cooking. He will say, he knows that you are not concentrating. I'm saying, I know even when I started, each time I come to the class, I will go to my room, sleep on the bed. He will say, he asks me, why are you always in the bed? I said, this man not really understand that I go to work and I tire, my kids are disturbing me. I will tell you that I'm not feeling fine. I will just go to bed and relax, start attending this class. I said, well, Austin, start saying it. Don't sleep up in my class. I said, okay, let me listen to what he's telling me. I will come here where I'm sitting down now, listen to the class. My kids will be coming to me, Mom. I said, God, this is why I lost go to bed and lock the door. But this man said no. I said, well, Austin, Everything was like a dream today.
Very good. Perfect.
Student.
This,
Please.
and this morning,
Blessing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Blessing. This morning, 6 o'clock, when we had, we did play Skeda last night. And this morning also, we did the Skeda at 6 o'clock. You don't need to say what I told you, but these things I told you how to approach for the exam, because it's not always about knowledge. You said there are people who make 7, 8 errors the same day of the exam and they still pass with 0 errors sometimes, because I tell them that don't let that not influence your state of mind. It's very important state of mind. The things I told you to do, did it help you when you're sitting and giving your exams? Did they remember? Did that?
Sir, I said when they do the scale that I did this morning, that for the school, not the one we did together. I forget I was having for. Do you know what I said? I said Mr. Ambrish said I should not worry, that I should relax to calm my mind, that everything will be okay. Really, I relaxed my mind. Then I got, because I asked for audio. Another thing again, my fellow student, even if you know how to read, the audio is very important. Because at times there is a question that will come, you can't even know where it's going to. But if you just click the audio, click it 2 or 3 times, then you understand, you will read it again and say, yeah, this thing is true or false. When they get there, they gave me an audio. At the first, they didn't give the audio to me. I went to go, where is the audio I paid for? They said, okay, they are coming. So they bring the audio for me. So everything was so simple. I finished by 5, I think we started like 9:15, 9:20 I've done. And then I go back to number 1, start checking some things that I know that maybe this is, I wanted to start changing some things, but you said, I said, okay, let me listen to the voice of this man. I forgot and called the one that I'm finished. She came to close it. Then he said bye. Then I went out. Since morning, my student, you know that is now I'm knowing that I had that. I passed. Because where I registered, they don't open today in the morning. By 4 o'clock today, when I went to go and pick my kids from school, I went there, they've not opened. I know that they open by 5:30. God, I said, God, I don't even know if I passed. I don't even know. But my mind have already told me that I passed this exam. I call bless him, please. I've passed. Even if I've not seen my result, I've passed already. He said, Mama Caleb. I said, yes, I've passed already. So that was it, my student. I pray that God will also help every one of us in Jesus' name.
Thank you very much, Blessing. I'm very, very happy. We are all very proud of you.
Congratulations once again, my friend.
Congratulations, so I thought from your blessing.
Okay,
Congratulations.
Thank you,
everyone.
Blessing.
Thank you.
Yeah, I told you. You said that all your friends are waiting for you to pass, so they'll join. I'm waiting for them to come and call me. Okay, so I'm waiting for that. Tell your friends about us. Like Blessing told you, you can tell other people also. Okay, and again for the practical test. This was your first the practical test also. No, call me 4 days before the exam, 4 days before, and then 2 hours before your test. Then again, you need to hear my voice if you want to pass in the first try. Because if you don't pass in the first try, they'll take another 500 euros from you at least, because they say 10 more lessons. Anyway, okay, I'm very happy, very proud, waiting for your video. And
Thank you, sir.
all right, best of luck, my dear. Bye-bye.